Yeah, hello, hi, everyone. So my name is Suresh. Having experience around more than 7 years in performance testing and engineering, and also I'm a certified ISTQB performance tester. Testing. Yeah, like this course. The main aim of this course to uh, to make everyone comfortable. So when they're attending any interview, because most of them I've seen, so they will failed in the interviews, like because of so many reasons here. So I hope this course will help you to prepare and also like attend the interviews with confident. So that is the main purpose of this particular course here. And in this course, I prepared around 600 plus real-time interview questions. So that may be useful and when you're attending any interviews. Yeah, let me explain you why some of them are failing in interviews here. Let me check this one. Just give me 1 second. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. So this is why people failed in performance testing interviews here. So we can have, I will explain some reasons here. The first reason will be lack of fundamentals. So maybe if you agree or not, that is the main reason, lack of fundamentals. They may ask you some fundamentals here, like what is the latency, and what is the response time, what is the TPS, what is the throughput, so many things. Still, so many fundamentals will be there. So they may ask you some of the fundamentals, and they can easily judge like whether you know fundamentals very well. So this is one reason for the failure. So be very strong in fundamentals here, and my course will help you maybe from the 600 plus interview questions, and I will show you some real time hands-on experience also. Okay. This course will help you for learning the performance testing basics. Okay, that is one reason. Then one more, the second reason, over dependence on the tool and weak in the concept. Like as I said, no, like maybe one particular person, he knows, he's having more knowledge on the tool, how to operate that particular tool. Like for suppose in our performance testing, like JMeter tool. So he knows like how to record the script and how to do everything, but he may weak in concept here. So this is one more reason for failure. So if so in my course, I will try to explain the concepts more. Then this over dependence on the tool and your concept can also learn properly by from my course. So this is one more reason for failure. Is it right? If anyone is experiencing the similar problem in the interview, you can say, or you can ping in the chat. Okay, yes or no? Yeah. Then one more reason: no real-time project expo. Like maybe someone will learn. They learn some JMeter course for somewhere. Okay. Maybe they're from some other background courses, like they want to shift to performance testing. So the interviews can easily found whether you have real-time experience on the project. So you need to learn some real-time projects here and how to handle and whenever this type of questions will ask, how to handle them. Everything you need to learn. Okay, maybe in my particular course, I may share some real-time case study scenarios and how issues will resolve in actual projects here. So maybe I will try to explain some real-time case studies. Okay, so this is one more strong reason here for failing in the interviews here. This is one more reason. Yeah, let me go. Let me go for one more reason. The fourth reason will be poor debugging and problem solving skills. In the interview, you may work in particular projects here. Okay, and he may ask you some questions where he is facing problem, or uh, from his project he may ask some questions here. See, from project to project, everything will change. Okay, no one is perfect. Okay, to solve every project here, but he will try to ask his problems here, or where he may ask, he may try to ask like his project particular doubts here. So then you need to answer, not 100%, but you need to try to answer them. Okay. So then he will think about your problem solving skill. So this is I will also cover in my particular training course. Okay. Whenever if any interviewer is asking some problem solving is experience in his project, or and how to resolve. Okay. So, like for suppose one of the interview, they may ask one OTP came in my project, how to handle this. Okay, so he knows like the person who's having experience in the performance testing, how to check this OTP scenario. Okay, so then he will expect some answer from you, like how to resolve this particular issue. So, in my course, I will explain whenever this type of questions will come, how to answer them. Yeah, then one more the strong reason for the interviews, because earlier uh, having a knowledge on one JMeter tool will be enough, but now they're asking more questions on monitoring tool and analysis here. Okay, they may ask you in your previous project how you're monitoring okay, the performance testing. He may ask you. He will expect some answer from you. Okay. Then you need to explain them. You need to explain them with confident. Yeah, I'm using this particular monitoring tool. Okay, I'm using some Azure services. In Azure, we are having some monitoring tool for checking the CPU and memory for all the servers. And you may also expect some answers he may ask you like one analysis, like this is my response time is very high, in one of the project I got response time is very high. How do you some analysis here? So each and every question whatever he is asking, real time scenario questions and answer on questions, so they will not expect like pure 100%, but they will expect some answers from you with confident, okay, with good some good knowledge. So this everything will come only when you will learn more and more interview questions, and how one person will ask a question and how to answer. So everything. Yeah, this is one more. And one more reason, nowadays for the failure, no awareness of CACD and DevOps practice here, because they're expecting that person should not have one knowledge on just only doing the performance testing. He should also have knowledge on CACD and DevOps practice here. So he may expect in one of the particular project. I'm not saying in every interview they may ask you, depending on the company to company, project to project, and the person to person. Okay, if you're applying for some MNC or some high level projects here, they may ask you whether you're having a knowledge on CI/CD and DevOps practice here. Okay, and in such cases, how to handle them in the interview. Okay, so maybe in my course, I will I will give you some questions like whenever CI/CD questions and DevOps practice will come. Like maybe I will try to, I may not give you all the questions, but some of the questions I can give you. Then if you're having knowledge on CI/CD DevOps practice, you can answer them. Or if you're not having, you can tell them, yeah, I'm not having in this particular project, in the previous project, we are not having any awareness of CI/CD and DevOps practice, but I will learn. Okay, and I will learn everything. That depends upon how you will handle them. But in my course, I will try to give some questions on CI/CD and DevOps practice here. Yeah, this is one more failure. And one more, some persons will reject in some of the performance testing interview job because of weak basis in JVM and DB and OS troubleshooting. He may ask you like, what is a JVM? Okay, if you are able to explain what is a JVM, yeah, you will get some impression that you know something about basics, like how the JVM. Okay, or DB, like he may ask you whether you are having knowledge or DB. Okay, how to tune a query. Like if you know, you can answer them. If you don't know, you need to handle him some separately. But in my course, I will try to, uh, if any chance, I will try to add some questions on DB and JVM, if any chance will be there. But I'm saying the reasons for failure, whenever we are attending for performance testing, interview jobs here. Okay, nowadays, I'm not saying about before 3 years back or 4 years back here. Okay, nowadays they're expecting more and more. So we need to expand our knowledge. Okay. And you need to have some Linux command monitoring commands also. You need to learn. And also in some interview people, they may ask you some scenario, like some business flow. And so you need to explain the workload modeling, or he may ask you some workload modeling questions here. And some questions on a scenario base, he may ask you. So then you need to answer him. Like he will give you one scenario and he will expect some answer from you for whenever this scenario will comes here, how you will handle this particular scenarios here. So these are the some of the reasons for failure in the performance testing interviews. Okay, and one more reason, lack of confidence and poor communication. This is one major reason. Okay, be confident here. Be confident and communicate. Try to improve the communication. Okay, so this is one major reason here. Whether we are having knowledge on a particular topic or not. Okay, but if your communication is very good and your confidence level is very good, you may think that yeah, once we will take this person into the project, he may help us. He will learn and he will help us. Okay, it will support our project properly without having any problems to us. So because before taking a person into the project, they will check everything more and more things whether uh, he's incorporating with the team. Okay, whether he's having proper understanding with the team. Okay, everything proper. So that's the main reason here. If you're having knowledge or not, that is a different case. But initially, communication should not be poor. Okay, whatever you're thinking in your mind, you need to explain them. Okay, this is one more strong reason. Okay, for most of the people. But if it is agree, you can write yes or no. This is the one more reason here. Okay, maybe some people they will say that yeah, I'm new for JMeter this performance testing. How can I improve my communicate confidence level? Yeah, maybe this course will help you. The 600 plus questions will help you. to make you confidence here. Whenever if anyone is asking any question, maybe if you can practice more and more, and if you can practice real-time scenario and so on, maybe your confidence will increase. So practice the one. Practice and learning is one of the strong point for increasing the confidence here. Okay. And one more, the main reason, the final reason will be no preparation for common interview questions. They may ask you some common interview questions, but you're not preparing properly. That is one more strongest reason. Okay. Yeah, these are things. So with my learning, you don't just learn JMeter, you can also learn how to crack interviews with confidence here. Yeah, this is about, yeah, and also like I have I prepare around 600 plus interview questions on various levels, like on CACD, DevOps, or maybe I prepare all the 600 plus interview questions. We can check. I will explain each and everything. And I hope this course will help you. Yeah, thank you.